how to make and create your Etsy shop cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now click on create a design here, search for Etsy, click on Etsy shop cover, and now it will take you here. Choose a template. For example, you have many templates, this one, and you can edit the text and all those informations as you can see right here. And after you finish editing those informations, go to the top here, click on share and download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.